Hello, and welcome to our video on screen deblinding. Blinding is the process of individual particles settling on the mesh of the screen and then getting stuck inside the holes and preventing other particles from passing through these holes. The result is what you see in the footage, where the material simply sits on the mesh and rotates around in a stationary position without actually traveling through the screen, resulting in suboptimal throughput. To avoid the blinding of your screens, ScreenerKing offers several deblinding options. The first of these options is our ball tray assembly kit, which includes a stainless steel blank frame, ball support screen, a quick release clamp coat clamp ring, as well as the deblinding balls, which are made from an FDA food grade natural rubber or neoprene. The balls move up and down under machine operation and make contact with the screens to dislodge and deblind any material stuck in the mesh. As you can see, the powder is no longer getting stuck on the screen and is now passing through as intended. Another deblinding option available is our clean ring assembly kit, which comes with a stainless steel perforated plate with FDA food grade nylon sliders that will make contact with the mesh and dislodge any material similar to the deblinding balls. As you can see, the sliders generate vibration in the mesh and the powder is now being screened efficiently. If you're interested in any of these deblinding options, please visit our website at www.ScreenerKing.com or give us a call at 866-265-1575. Thank you, and we look forward to helping you with all your screening needs.